restoring stuff here at Neomustangs. So what I did was I went over to AutoZone. We gonna clear cut my head? I probably need it, man. I ain't got no hair. Anyways, we went over to AutoZone and got this Duplicolor 1K clear. It's like an extreme gloss finish. And we were restoring some pony wheels because we actually clean them really good. And, you know, people don't want junk pony wheels. So, yeah, because you can see from the years of just brake wear and whatever. I mean, these pony wheels are, you know, front ones are always worse than the back. But, you know, they're super dull and lost all their, you know, their shininess and whatever. So, but this is actually, this drives me crazy on these pony wheels though. When we're restoring them, is weights in the front just drives me crazy. Anyways, it's got the UV protection and the scratch resistance. This thing was like $16. It was ridiculous. But this was like the best clear they had. So we had already had the Argent silver. It's like a Chrysler color. That's what color this pony wheel is like.
Actually cool.
Whatever. So, old 30-year-old pony wheels. Look how much they're shining. Look how clear, look how nice that is. It's not terrible at all. Like, we clear the backside and stuff like that. You can see how the Argent wasn't perfect. And some of these pony wheels don't come perfect at all, but I mean, look how nice that clear is. Look at that.
It's Ford Argent Silver.
Ford Argent Silver. Just a quick YouTube short video of something that you can get at the parts store. It almost makes me wish I would have went back over that with silver a little bit. You know, a couple rattle cans, you can make your pony wheels look better. That goes for pretty much any pony, any wheel really that we have. So, I'm out.